Creating a Google My Business profile that drives traffic. That's the conversation that's going to be happening on this video right now. My name's Kevin from the Online Visibility Agency, and today we're going to be looking at Google My Business profile and making sure that we get traffic to it. Now, Google My Business profile, if you don't know, it's an area that Google provides for you free of charge, believe it or not, that has a massive impact on you being found more online. So why would you not want to get involved in this? You can gather your reviews in there, you can do all sorts of amazing things, but there's lots of hidden little gems in there that people tend to ignore. And this is something that I just wanted to address a couple of them just to help you go through it. Now, when you sign up for Google My Business or Google Business Profile, whatever it's called these days, they take you through a checklist of things that you should complete. So you get a little green circle saying, yes, your profile is optimized. It's great. You've completed all of the base elements that we believe makes a good profile. Why would you not want to take their advice? So make sure things like your business name, your address, your phone number, they're all accurate and they reflect where you are. And specifically, if you've got a location for your business or your registered address for your limited company, make sure you bang that in there so you get found on Google Maps and you start to get the location search done for your business as well. Of course, we want reviews. That's one of the big things that we want. You know, people can review your business through this. Once you've got your profile set up, you can send them a link. It's really, really easy to do. You can include it on your website, your invoices. If you send digital invoices, you can send it in follow-up emails. You can send it by text. There's a multitude of ways, and I've got a really cool solution. If you're looking for a solution on how to do that automatically, then, or automated, I should say. But getting the reviews, asking for the reviews, following up asking for the reviews, massively powerful. The more reviews you get, and certainly if they're 5-star reviews, then the better your business will be reflected when people go to search to look for your service but don't know your business right now. Or maybe they do know your business and they're checking you out. Have you got 500 glowing reviews, or have you got 0 because you don't exist with a Google Business profile? And lastly, did you know you can create updates, you can create offers, you can put photos up, you can put posts up, you can put products and services up on your Google Business profile, all for free. It's insane the amount of stuff you can do on there that all links back into your website, goes into search, and will really boost the SEO that you're looking for to make sure your business as a whole is found in the right way online. Because remember, our website is king. That is our home. That's our kingdom that we build, that we stand at the top of the tallest turret and look over our kingdom and go, wow, what an amazing place we've got here. It's a real powerhouse of a area online that we've built. But we can also look out and look at our little villages around us. Things like the Google Business Profile, the social media areas that we've got that all feed back into our website, feed into the search engines and create a really strong kingdom for us to look over. And what that does is it creates an environment where, you know what, when people are walking by, they're going, I want to go there. That looks absolutely amazing. And that's what we're trying to achieve. So if you're not building your kingdom, why not? If you need help building your kingdom, you know what to do. Drop me a message. But hopefully this has inspired you to go and set up your Google Business profile correctly and put a little bit of effort into it to get your kingdom starting to build its villages and be really an awesome powerhouse online for the area of business that you're in. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next video.